Hey everyone, have you been hunting for a workstation that can actually keep up with serious workloads without breaking the bank? I know the search can feel endless, but I think I've found something worth your time. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. This is the HP Z2 G9 Workstation, and it's packing some serious firepower. We're talking a 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900K under the hood, which is no slouch when it comes to raw processing power. If you're someone who runs demanding software, think video editing, 3D rendering, or even heavy multitasking, this machine is built to handle it without slowing down. I've been putting it through its paces, and so far, it's delivering exactly what you'd expect from a workstation in this price range. The i9-14900K is a beast of a processor, with 24 cores and 32 threads, making it perfect for tasks that require a lot of simultaneous processing. One of the first things that stood out to me was the 32 gigabytes of RAM. That's a solid amount for most professional applications, and it means you can run multiple programs at once without your system crawling to a halt. I tried opening up a few heavy files, like a 4K video project alongside a couple of browser tabs with dozens of tabs open, and the Z2 G9 handled it all smoothly. No lag, no stuttering, just pure productivity. I was able to work on multiple projects simultaneously, switching between them with ease, and the system didn't even break a sweat. This kind of performance is a game changer for anyone who needs to juggle multiple tasks at once. Storage is another area where this workstation shines. It comes with a 1 TB SSD, which is great for fast boot times and quick file access. If you've ever dealt with a slow hard drive, you know how frustrating it can be to wait for applications to load. With this setup, everything feels snappy, and you won't be twiddling your thumbs waiting for your system to catch up. The SSD is also incredibly reliable, with a mean time between failures, MTBF, of 2 million hours, which means you can trust your data to be safe. Plus, with 1 TB of storage, you've got plenty of room to store your files, projects, and programs, so you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Now, let's talk graphics. It's equipped with an NVIDIA T1000 with 8 GB of VRAM. That's not going to win any awards for gaming performance, but for professional workloads like CAD design, video editing, or even light 3D modeling, it's more than capable. I ran a few tests with some complex 3D renders, and the GPU handled them without breaking a sweat. If you're a creative professional or an engineer, this is the kind of setup that lets you focus on your work instead of worrying about your hardware. The T1000 is also certified for a range of professional applications, including Autodesk AutoCAD, Adobe Premiere Pro, and SolidWorks, so you can trust that it will work seamlessly with the software you use. The build quality is also worth mentioning. HP Z-series workstations have a reputation for being sturdy and reliable, and the Z2 G9 is no exception. It's got a solid metal chassis that feels like it can take a few bumps without falling apart. Plus, the internal layout is designed for easy upgrades, so if you ever need to add more RAM or swap out the storage down the line, you won't have to jump through hoops. The workstation is also surprisingly quiet, even under heavy load, which is a welcome change from the noisy machines of the past. I also appreciate the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro. It's a clean, modern operating system that plays well with most professional software out there. Whether you're using Adobe Creative Suite, AutoCAD, or any other industry-standard tools, you won't run into compatibility issues. The OS is pre-installed and ready to go, so you can start working right out of the box. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro, you get a range of features that are designed specifically for businesses and professionals, including enhanced security, advanced management tools, and improved support for remote work. Now, no workstation is perfect, and there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, while the T1000 is great for professional workloads, it's not a gaming powerhouse. If you're looking to play the latest AAA titles at max settings, you'll want to look elsewhere. Second, the Z2 G9 is a tower, so it's not the most portable option. If you need something you can easily move around, this might not be the best fit. But if you're setting up a permanent workstation, that's not really an issue. Additionally, the workstation only comes with a basic keyboard and no mouse, so you may need to factor in the cost of a high-quality keyboard and mouse if you don't already have them. All in all, the HP Z2 G9 Workstation is a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable, high-performance machine without spending a fortune. If you're curious and want to see more details, the link is below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.